Yawns spread like wildfire. Or is it just in your head? Think again. You're doing it wrong. Did you know yawning is contagious? It's real. Stop believing the yawn myth. It's all in your brain. Or is it? Scientists say it's a social contagion. Watch this to learn why. So, are you ready to debunk the yawning myth? Follow the science and see how you've been missing out. You might even yawn now just reading this. Keep watching to find out why. Yawn Truth Science is Cool.